Welcome back to the vlog. I want to start off by saying that I look like this because, well, this is how I always look, to be completely honest, but it's worse today because I've had a UTI and a virus. I'm on my 2.5 day and I think I'm on the downhill, thank goodness. Like I'm not throwing up now, and I still can't eat anything. I'm living on Tylenol water and Gatorade. But I have to pack for Iowa. Today's Thursday and we leave Saturday at like 4 o'clock in the morning. It's gonna be fun. But I need to get all this done because it's literally Thursday. I have a day and a half left. And I need to sleep really well tomorrow night to get up Saturday and get moving. Because when I travel, I like to have some kind of a schedule, and I like to get a hotel in a certain location so that way I know I will make it to that location and not just get tired 4 hours early and stop. So I have to get things packed. I have a hair appointment in Iowa on Monday because look at the growth of my hair. It's rough. Normally I do like get it balayage up to like here, but that means there's like this much hair still that it's like grown out, and it's looking rough. But I mean, I have not had time to do anything, and the kids will be with Brian over spring break, so I'll have time to actually do stuff and kind of self-care a little bit, because I've definitely been missing on the self-care portion of life in general. And also I nailed my last test. I don't even know, I honestly was worried they put the wrong grade in, to be completely honest. I made the highest test grade that I've made in nursing school the past 2 semesters on this test I just took. And the test before that was my 2nd highest grade. Like, my motivation is off the chain, I guess, because I hate to say it, but I'm doing really well, and I'm shocked. No one's more surprised than I am at the test grade that I received. So I'm just starting off spring break on such a positive note, and knowing that all my sleep that I've lost has been worth it, and I'm about to get some sleep back on this little mini vacation. So let's get packing. I have a lot to do, and I want to vlog to get videos out for you guys. I want to get videos out over spring break and at least film this trip for y'all, because I know that I have not been vlogging much at all, and I do feel bad about it. I promise I do, but priorities. So let's pack.
How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine and got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? They say you made me come undone. Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Hi. It's the next day, clearly. I just finished school drop-off and daycare drop-off, and I went and picked up some diapers and got some mailers to mail off some Poshmark orders. And I stopped vlogging yesterday. What you guys saw on the camera was all I did yesterday. I got super sick after the laundry. I thought I was doing so well. I woke up this morning and I think I'm on the downhill. I really hope so. I kind of feel like I'm on the downhill. The only issue is that I can't eat, so I feel sick. And I think I feel sick because I can't eat. And like, I need to eat, but when I do eat, I feel sick. I don't know. I think I just need to try to eat and just suffer through it, just to get something inside of me, because nothing has worked. I got super desperate last night. This is so shameful. I got super desperate last night, and after I tried to eat soup, couldn't do it. I had like a bite, and I was like, I'm gonna throw this up. But last night, y'all, I was starving to death because I haven't been able to hold down food in almost 2 days, a little over 2 days. So I'm like, okay, this is so, I don't even want to say it. There are pizza rolls in my my freezer. The worst possible thing I could possibly have even tried to eat, but that's the only thing that sounded good to me. So I put 3 little pizza rolls on a plate, and y'all, it took me like 45 minutes to eat these pizza rolls. But I laid in bed, it was like 45 minutes, I just nibbled on these pizza rolls. And then I thought I probably just made the biggest mistake of my entire life eating those. But then I went to sleep. I drank a crap ton of water, I went to sleep, woke up this morning, and I think maybe I had a headache still. I took Tylenol. Here we are. That was the longest intro of tangent ever. I'm so sorry. But I got to pack today. And the thing about being sick and being a mom is that no one gives a crap if you're sick. You still have to get everything done that you have to do. So I'm a day behind on getting all the packing done. I have a test today. I have to submit some clinical paperwork today. I need to make sure I don't lose my mind today. I'm trying to keep my sanity together because I also need to go to the store and get snacks for the road for tomorrow, so that everyone is, like, I'm honestly feeling chest pain right now. Like, I just feel like so anxious. I have so much to do. And like, I also want to get a spray tan. I don't know, self-care at some point, but I would rather just die than stand in that spray tan booth for 5 minutes. So that's where I'm at today. But it's going to be fine. I'm going to finish this vlog today, and I'm going to edit it tonight and put it out tomorrow morning so that it's up when we're driving. I will get this video out. I'm going to get it out. So that's where my mind's at. I'm losing it, but that's fine. It's okay. I did not plan on getting sick, but luckily God is answering my pleas and my prayers for me to at least feel good enough to get everyone packed and not turn into a monster. I was going to have my parents keep the kids for a couple hours tonight, but they are actually out of town. So I just got to get it together today and use the most of my time while they're all at school. It's 8:42 in the morning. I need to update my phone. But I got plenty of time to get this done. So I'm going to try to eat first because that's the most important. I feel like right now is trying to get something to eat. And then we'll get started.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
Okay, no judgments in this house, but this is what I got for the road trip. I just feel like I'm starving because I haven't eaten in days, and this is what I picked up. So I grabbed beef jerky, sugar-free Red Bull, which I love. I shouldn't love it so much, but I do. These are the best and only layer bars that I like, the cherry pie ones. So good. The beef sticks and cheese. A friend of mine told me to get these, but then I ended up getting these too. And then it's almost Easter, so it's Cadbury egg time. Tyler loves these, so I picked these up, and he also likes these, so I got those too. Animal crackers for the babies, and these are the best cheese whisks that exist. So I got, they were 2 for $5. And then I got the apple strawberry pouches that are easy in the car. And then I also got apple banana. They've never tried this kind. So I got that flavor. I got the ranch veggie straws. And then I got a little extra and bought 2 Milano cookies. I probably will only take 1 with me. And then I got mixed fruit snacks. So the twins will have like the fruit snacks, the animal crackers, the applesauce, and the veggie straws. Anderson also likes all this stuff that's here. So we're just gonna kind of, I guess, live our best life on this road trip. I am about an hour post eating. I ended up picking up a, oh, I regret it now. I ended up picking up a, what's it called? A French dip sandwich from Which Wich. If you guys have Which Wich, it's like a little sandwich place. But I ate the French dip and I felt fine at first, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. Now I'm starting to feel very, not like, just a lot of nausea. I think it's because I ate the whole sandwich and I probably shouldn't have, but I was just so hungry. I just wanted to eat. Oh, I'm about to have to go get Anderson from school. It's almost time for her to be out of school, and I have to pick up all of her work for next week because her spring break actually isn't until the following week. So somehow we got the dates mixed up, but my spring break is this week. So it's the only week that I could have done this trip because we don't have excused absences in my program. So unless it's like jury duty or something like that. So I gotta pick up all her work. And then I have to come back. I just started packing myself a few minutes ago, but I'm not feeling awesome at the moment. So I may lay down for a little bit. And then I have a test still to take. And I have Celie still to give a bath to because my friend's coming to pick her up at like 5 o'clock. So I just got to keep trucking along. I can't really afford to feel sick. So I'm just going to grab my lemon water and just keep on moving. Y'all hungry? Yeah. Eat. That's right. We're gonna eat. Yes. That's right. Yes, we're gonna eat. That's right. What you want to eat?
No.
You don't know? What do you want to eat? Oh, something in the pantry? Huh? You don't know? Okay, I had the twins in bed. I went ahead and got them in their pajamas early because as soon as they ate, they went ahead and went to bed. They're gonna just, I'm gonna let them just stay in their pajamas tomorrow because that just is the easiest for me. We're gonna be leaving at about 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. So I'm just gonna kind of lift them from the bed and put them in the car seat, and hopefully, fingers crossed, they'll still sleep some the first few hours of the drive. It'll still be dark for a little bit anyways. Right now Tyler is packing up some stuff, and then he's gonna go ahead and come over and sleep here so we can just leave from here. But I'm making some avocado toast. I feel better from earlier. I ate some of that sandwich and then I just kind of felt like complete crap, but I want to keep trying to eat. So I just felt like avocado looked really good earlier. So I'm just taking avocado. I sliced up a small part of a tomato and then did salt and pepper, and I'm just going to, I toasted some bread in the pan, which is how I like it. And I'm just gonna make some toast really quick and try this out. I'm pretty much packed. I have to put my blow dryer and hair straightener in the bag, which I have to go spray tan. So Tyler's gonna be here sleeping, and everyone else is gonna be asleep. And I'm gonna spray tan later tonight at like, it's 7:15 now. So I'm just gonna go up like probably 9 or so and spray tan really quick, and then come back and go to bed. But I need to wash and blow dry my hair before I go spray tan because I don't want to have to do it in the morning, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some of this. And I know you guys want to see Tyler in the video. Y'all always ask like what's up, so whenever he gets here, I will let you guys see him in this next clip.
My hair.
You didn't lose your hair. What hair? Oh, your bald
It's
spot?
falling out.
No. Are you sad? You want to talk about it?
No.
Are you ready to go to Iowa?
Are you driving?
I said I would drive. You said I couldn't drive.
You can't drive.
I would get us there safely.
She's lying.
I'm like the world's most conservative driver. Don't look at my awful hair. Stop staring at it. Okay. They just wanted to see you just for a minute. They're all in love.
We'll have some good jokes on the car ride tomorrow. We'll tune you guys in. It's going to be a very interesting
More TNA
drive.
outdoors.
Yeah. Yep. It's going to be lots of TNA tomorrow. We're going to have all kind of shows popping in and out. It's going to be wild.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not going to be wild. We're on a family road trip.
It's going to be wild.
Alright guys, I am actually editing this as we speak. And I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I need to put this clip in and go ahead and get it done. And then tomorrow morning on the way, I will make a thumbnail and all that good stuff. And upload it. It should be live. Well, it doesn't matter because you guys are going to be watching this. So it doesn't matter what time it goes live. I'm going to announce on Instagram, I guess, tonight. But thank you guys so much for watching. As you guys are seeing this, we are traveling right now to Iowa. So go over to my Instagram. I have it linked down below all the time in the description box. I'm going to be updating our trip via Instagram and vlogging. So the whole thing. I'm so excited. Like, honestly, I'm so excited to be able to get videos out this week and be able to get some scheduled out hopefully. I'm just so happy to be able to do that and feel like I have a full week of rest coming. I cannot wait. It's going to be very stressful driving, of course, but I can't wait. So that's going to be all for this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.